Welcome to the Carwstar channel. The most spectacular and by far the most aggressive Brabus rocket we have ever built, 4.5-liter V8 Biturbo displacement engine with 662 kilowatts, 900 HP maximum torque at 1,250 Newton meters, which is electronically limited to 1,050 Newton meters, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds. 0 to 300 kilometers per hour in just 23.9 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 205 miles per hour, 330 kilometers per hour. Spectacular rocket carbon widebody combined with high-tech forged wheels, a 21 and 22 inches limited edition of 10 vehicles worldwide. Individual Brabus masterpiece interior design.